Have you ever downloaded or received a PDF file, your class notes, a report, or even an ebook, and noticed it has pages you don't need? Maybe blank pages, duplicate pages, or extra cover pages. Well, what if I told you you can delete or remove any page from a PDF right on your phone in just a few taps, and it's a completely free app? Let's see how. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and search for the Systweak PDF Editor and Scanner app. Download and install the app. Now open the app, tap on the plus icon, and then tap on Open File. Choose the file you want to edit. Your PDF will load instantly. Now tap on the Viewer drop-down at the top and choose Document Editor. You will now see a few editing options at the bottom. Now simply select the page you want to remove and tap on Delete button. Tap on Yes to confirm. That's it, your unwanted page is gone. Now save this PDF file and share it with anyone directly from here. So if you are someone who works with PDFs often, you should definitely download this app. It's free, easy, and honestly a lifesaver for quick PDF fixes on your phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips.